Hi y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a quick video on how to make a birthday gift box for your sibling or your aunts or your grandma, mom. And it's just quick, and I'm on a budget, so I went to CVS. My grand total was $37, y'all, and I only had $20 in my pocket. So I decided to clip some coupons, digital coupons, while I was in there in the store. Um, when I tell you guys, y'all have to get that app, the CVS Pharmacy app. If you don't have a CVS Pharmacy in your neighborhood, definitely check out Walgreens because I think it's like a sister company, but I'm not a fan of Walgreens, period. Whether it's to save or not, I just don't like Walgreens, but I'm not, stopping you from shopping at Walgreens because I've seen a lot of people, you know, look, save a ton of money. So my sister is the type person where she works hard, she buys everything that she wants, and she's very independent, and she basically has everything she wants. So I was confused, clueless on what to get my sister, and I decided, hey, she always on her iPad looking at Bob's Burger, like that's her favorite cartoon, like of all time. So I said, well, let me give her some snacks because she can come in one day, she can unwind and um, have some snacks. And, when she unwinds, she can have some, what I'm trying to say, bubble bath and then hand soap and stuff like that. So the Charmin's up here, that was on sale today's 6 equals 24 mega Charmin essential soft rolls. So there's 6 rolls in there, and they were only $5.98. They were on sale today, so I definitely scooped that up because we was running out of tissue paper, so I had to think about us too as well. And then we didn't have any of, like, I didn't have enough money to buy like the little tissue paper. So this right here is from when my birthday was in January. I mean, well, it is still January, but we always keep this kind of paper around in mom's house, so I didn't have to buy extra paper. Um and also the box is reusable too. We use it sometimes for Christmas, we use it sometimes for birthday. But this been a box that just stays around with us, and so we just keep reusing it. So we won't have to buy like boxes when we do like our little gifts or whatever. So it says, hey, I hope you got permission to open this one. So you can use it for Christmas, you can use it for birthdays, um, anything that is dealing with like special occasion gifts and stuff like that. So we use it for the gift box. So what I wound up getting my sister at CVS Pharmacy, you guys, was, and I had like $2 coupons off, I had a dollar coupon off, 50-cent coupons off, I had just a walk-in, you get $4 off. Like, I was saving money. Like, my whole total came out, like I said, $37. Then it went down to 27. Then it finally went down to $17. So I did pretty good. It was $17 and some coins. And I feel like I did really good because my sister, she really doesn't want for nothing. So I bought her some snacks and stuff. So yeah, I bought her these gold abound abound heavenly light popcorn. And then I bought her the white cheddar popcorn. And then I bought her some of the salt and lime peanuts. Those are her favorite. And then I bought, because I wanted to try this and I want my son to try it, but these are the Nature Valley biscuits with almond butter, and it also has cinnamon almond butter in it. So I like cinnamon, so I wanted us to try these together. I bought my sister this nice cards, positive vibes only. It says today is your day to savor all the good things in your life. So calm your nerves, refresh your spirit, and just be good to yourself. You deserve it. And it's a Hallmark card. At CVS Pharmacy, they always have great deals on Hallmark cards or anything Hallmark. So I think I had like discount off on that too. And then I got her some of these gummies, watermelon kind, and berry clouds, and these are the soft versions. And so they had a sale. It was 2 for $5, and then you get $1 off on them. Then I got her the shea butter liquid hand soap. And then I got her the shea butter and oatmeal body wash, soothes and hydrate dry skin. Okay, so we're gonna make the box now. So what I'm gonna do to fluff the box up and everything, I just reuse the CVS bag. I'm going to put the tissue paper over it, the gift paper, tissue paper over it, and however it lays, it lays. Then I'm gonna put her popcorn at the back, but you want everything to be nice and neat. Then I'm gonna put the Haribo gummies on top of that. Then I'm gonna put her peanuts in the middle. Then one soap, hand soap on one side, and then her bath soap on the other. And then I'm going to add 2 of the biscuit, Nutri Valley biscuits, like that, like so. And then I'm gonna sign the card and let my son sign the card, but I'm gonna put that like right there, where it sticks out, positive vibes only. And I really like it, like, and if you wanted to, you could like stuff the sides and stuff like with more tissue paper, but honestly I love it like this. And I'll just sit in the front room for her so that she can see it when she comes in. So yeah, you guys, that's how you make a gift basket on a budget. Bye.